What's up guys, I'm Zach and welcome back to another video. Now today I've got quite an exciting video on our hands, and personally it's quite exciting to me because I'm a huge fan of Tyler the Creator and his brand GOLF le FLEUR. Now I was a huge fan of the Lacoste and GOLF le FLEUR collaboration from a few years ago now, but unfortunately back then I wasn't really able to pick up any pieces. I did have the chance to pick up, well, my dream piece from that collaboration a number of years ago when it first dropped for, I believe, under retail at the time, which was the GOLF le FLEUR and Lacoste varsity jacket that you will see on your screen right now. How luscious, beautiful is that jacket? Unfortunately, I didn't really have as much money as I do now. Not that I'm saying I have a lot, but I definitely was a little bit more poor back in that era, so I couldn't afford expensive varsity jackets as such. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get it since, and the prices have, skyrocketed up over time. So unfortunately, I think I'll be passing on that one for a while. So I was super excited to see that GOLF le FLEUR and Lacoste were coming back for a second collaboration, which sort of gave me the opportunity to redeem myself after these years, pick up a few pieces, have a look, and actually, not have this regret years later of not picking up pieces. So today in this video, we are going to check out a few pieces, and guys, I picked up quite a few. As you can see right here, we've got 1, 2, and lucky number 3. So we've got quite a few boxes to get through of GOLF le FLEUR and Lacoste. Now, starting off, I honestly don't know which pieces are in which box, so it's sort of like a little lucky dip right now. So I'm just going to take off these two boxes, and we're going to start with, I'm not going to show you my address, but we're going to start with this first box here. Now, I do have my trusty orange knife here. Now, I am so excited to get into these pieces. Honestly, I really hope that they live up to the hype. Like, for me, I'm super excited to check out these items, so this is the opportunity to really get into it. Now, I did pick up all of this from Antonia, which is a great online website. I have used them a few times before. Great shipping. Like, this came in like a few days from overseas to Australia, so I'm really impressed with this. But let's actually get into the pieces here. First up we have, I don't actually know what this is, but it's a big piece. Okay. I'll cut a lot. This is, man, they really do package this right up. Okay. What is this? Oh, they packaged 2 pieces. Oh my god, the quality on this is sick. Holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna put this box down and show you these pieces a little bit better, because on my lap I have no room to move. So first up, we've got the knitted polo there, which honestly, I don't know if the camera is showing the details as much, but wow, this is super sick. This looks incredible in hand. And guys, I'm telling you, the quality on this, like, this is a thick, heavy knit. Like, this is not lightweight. Just so you know, this is gonna keep you warm, man. So I just want to preface this by saying I picked up everything in an extra large, just because I feel like Lacoste typically runs a little bit more snug for me. I don't know if this is gonna be the same sort of case for Lacoste and the GOLF le FLEUR collaboration, but that's just personally what I had in my mindset going into this. Yeah, this is really sick. I really love this detailing down here, just on the bottom. Got this sort of embroidery with the brown Lacoste patch there, which I think is just super nice. Super sick. And then one of the other details that I really, at first, I honestly didn't even like the idea of it, but getting it in hand, I think actually looks like super sick. And that is, you've got these little like pearl sort of, let's see if we can focus it. You've got those little pearls as the actual buttons, which I think is super nice. It feels just super premium, and it just has, what I really like about this collaboration, at least from what I saw online, obviously we're going to get into the pieces, but it doesn't feel like they're going too overboard in a collaboration. When sometimes they just change stuff too much. Sometimes it's just little details like that, like the little sort of detailing on the bottom, which really makes it, and those little details there with the pearl. This is super sick. Can't wait to try this on. Getting into, okay, well, of course, it's Polo, so I had to pick up, if I'm picking up Lacoste, I got to pick up the Polo as well. So I thought this one was really nice as well. Of course, this one is very small in terms of details. You've only really got just the little logo there with the crocodile Is it a crocodile or an alligator? Can you guys tell me in the comment section down below? I feel like Australians say crocodile, but I don't know if alligator is like a US thing. Anyways, you've got the crocodile there that says Le FLEUR, which I think looks really nice. And just in terms of quality, it honestly doesn't feel like it's elevated or anything like that. It just feels like a normal sort of polo that you would get from Lacoste. Lacoste polos normally are quite high quality, so I don't think there's anything really to be upset about there. I think it's just a super wearable piece. Personally, I think it's a lot more wearable than a few of the other items in this collection, just because it's very simple, very elegant, and that's what I really loved so far about seeing this collaboration online. That looks really nice. Can't wait to try that one on. Okay, I think there might be one more piece in this box. I don't know. Okay, jokes. That was the 2 pieces from that box, which means we can get into the next box. All right. So we've got box number 2 here. Let's have a look. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are enjoying this sort of unboxing and live reaction to everything. I just thought it was a little bit more interesting. You can honestly get my honest opinion from the get-go unboxing it, rather than like having it for a few days and then sort of building my own opinion, I guess you could say. Anyways, box number 2 here. They put a lot of wrapping paper on this, by the way, so I can't even tell what this is. Okay, we've only got 1 piece in here. Not sure what this is, but we're gonna get into it. Let's have a look. I feel like this might be the best. It's very soft. Oh, ooh. This is beautiful. This is sick. This is so much more sick than I thought it was gonna be. Guys, I'll straight up say right now, I'll be the first to tell you that I don't wear sweater vests, but this piece right here, wow, this is really nice. Like in terms of soft, like it's super soft. Like this is alpaca wool soft. This is crazy. Wow, and I love that color. I love that color. Okay, let me quickly get into the details, I guess. Let me just throw these tags inside. I do like that they've have this sort of GOLF le FLEUR tag there as well. I just think it's a nice little detail to come along with. So first off, obviously, super soft, nice blue alpaca wool there. I believe that is what it is made of. I'll throw it up on the screen just in case I'm butchering it here. But this is what it's made of, whatever it's saying on the screen now. But in terms of the detailing, I really just love this pearl, Le FLEUR, and alligator logo from Lacoste. Man, that is so sick. I can't believe, like, this is epic. Just look at that detailing there. I just want to focus on it, please. It is super nice. I don't know if the camera is really picking it up, but man, wow, this is really nice. This is so, like, and I cannot explain how soft this is just holding it. It's really, really nice. Okay. And then on the back there, we've also got just another Lacoste Le FLEUR logo, just sort of embroidered in there, which I really like. Man, this piece, can't wait to try this one on. I honestly can't wait to try this one on. This looks so epic, so epic. Which means we're just down to the last box. Hopefully this one, I actually don't remember what I got in this last one, so this will be a sort of a surprise. I'm pretty sure I got the t-shirt. I'm really just pulling a blank right now. It's quite late where I am. I honestly just waited till after work, and I just wanted to film this video straight away because I'm so keen, obviously. But let's just check this out. Alright, so we've got this here. Also, shout out to Antonia for really, looking after their customer. Like, they really do wrap this in 100 layers. It's sort of reminds me of, pasta when you're younger and just unboxing it. Oh, this is really nice. This is really sick. Okay. So yes, I got the houndstooth trousers, and wow, these look really good. These look really, really nice. Okay, let's just get into these ones. Oh, the detailing is so nice on these. So something that I'm just seeing straight away is I love that on the inside right there. I'll show you straight up. We've got the Lacoste and Le FLEUR sort of logo running across there, which I think is really nice. It's just a small detail, but I think it's just the minute details that in this collaboration that really just sort of bring out how, you know, refined. Sorry, everything's just sort of falling down over there. It's just very refined. It's very refreshing. I think the word I'm looking for, it's very tastefully done, this collaboration. Man, I'm really loving what I'm seeing so far. So on the front, as you can see, you've got that beautiful houndstooth pattern, which I think it honestly looks incredible. The only thing is I don't know about sizing, because like I honestly just don't know like European sizing. I'm typically a size 34 waist. I did pick this one up in, if I can find it, a size 46. Oh, which is a 36. It says underneath. I wish they said that on the website. As you can see, there's the logo there with the information that probably would have helped when I was picking this up. A 36, I reckon that should fit me all right as well. And on the front, you've also got that Le FLEUR logo in brown. It feels like a leather patch that's been stitched in there, which I think is super nice. Just if you can see there, super high quality on this. Really love this. And now this one, I remember seeing this detail online, and I don't know what you're like. You ever just see a small little detail and you really feel like it just makes the whole piece? Well, this piece here, like something about having that Le FLEUR sort of flower there, I just think looks epic, especially on the back of the pants. Like it's just such a small detail, and I know I'm sort of looking into the camera right now to see where I'm looking, but yeah, I think that's super nice. As you can see up close, yeah, that is really, really sick. Really am excited about trying these ones on personally. I reckon this and the sweater was what I was most excited about, and so far pieces, at least in hand and in terms of quality and the details, and at least what I'm feeling so far. Obviously I haven't tried anything on. It's pretty great. It's pretty great. I'm really liking it. So excited to try that on. It obviously means a lucky last is have got the tees. So I picked these up in both colorways. So we've got the Le FLEUR Lacoste t-shirt there. Now this one, I just don't know if I like these pieces, and I know online that I wasn't a huge fan of them, and honestly I wasn't going to pick them up, but I wanted to throw something in there to sort of wear with the pieces to try on. But yeah, I don't know, like I think it's nice, just don't know if I'm a huge fan of the logo, that's all. But I think it is still sick. Yeah, I did pick this up in an extra large as well. It does look like it's a little bit oversized, at least for my first impressions. Obviously at some point you're going to be seeing all of this on, so hopefully that sort of answers your question. We also picked it up in the white. Ooh, okay. All right, the white, I think. Ooh, okay. Okay, I think I like the white a lot more. That's really nice with the Le FLEUR Lacoste. It is in sort of a flocked type material, just that logo there. And of course you have got the Le FLEUR and alligator Lacoste print in the middle. I'll see if I can bring it up closer just so you guys can get a little bit more of the details up close. As you can see, don't know how much you guys can tell, but it is flocked, so it does have sort of a little bit more dimension to it, which I think is really nice. I think the white one is sort of growing on me. I really do like that. Anyways guys, that sort of just brings us to the end of the video. I just wanted to give you my honest first impressions. Obviously we picked up quite a few pieces. Personally, so far from what I'm seeing, love the pants. Love the pants. I really love everything. The t-shirts I'm a little bit skeptical on right now, just because I just can't tell if I'm gonna really like it on body. I will be giving you guys a proper review in the coming days with it on, and just about the quality and what I think. But I just wanted to give you my first impressions. I think it's really nice. Personally, I know it's such a simple piece, but I really do love this polo. Just because I don't own a polo, and I really love that baby blue, and I think this one personally is gonna look good on me. So yeah, super keen to get that. And something I'm just quickly noticing, losing my words here. Something I'm quickly just noticing now is actually us on the buttons here. Just while I've got your attention, you've actually got the Lacoste and GOLF le FLEUR logo. I don't know. Yeah, just there. Super sick. See, the little details that you just can't tell when you first pick it up, but man, super nice, super nice. Love these pieces. Can't wait to try them all on. We'll have a video coming out for you guys soon. If you did enjoy today's video, feel free to drop a like down below. Feel free to subscribe as well. If you want to see all sort of on body soon, I will try and pump that video out in a day or two, so stay tuned for that one. Regardless, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was sort of quick. Let me know if you guys are actually enjoying these sort of first impressions and unboxing videos. I know I've only really done it with the Balenciaga sneakers that I recently checked out, and I feel like so far people liked that video. So if this is something that you guys want to see in the future, feel free to let me know down below. I honestly read all the comments, so it would be a great help. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya. Okay, guys. Oh, stick around because you guys are going to want to watch the next video. Do not purchase anything, at least at your own discretion. I'm telling you, sizing right now, it's a little off on a few things. Like, and by a little, like some of these pieces, I can't even fathom the sizing that they've gone with, unless they're doing women's sizing or something. Yeah, stick around. The next video will be out soon, but I would hold off until you watch my video because the sizing, it's a little bit off, a little bit of a discrepancy between a few items. Stick around, enjoy the rest of the video, but yeah, just a little note I had to add in there at the end. All right, see ya.